Connecting data in Power BI is the first step in making sense of raw numbers. First, make sure you have the right permissions. No one likes an error pop-up. Pick the correct data sources that match your analysis needs. Use import tools smartly to avoid extra work later. And always double-check your connection settings, unless you enjoy troubleshooting at midnight. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system. Intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Welcome to Power BI Workspace, your data playground. It's where reports, dashboards, and datasets live in harmony. Each workspace has specific components that help organize your data journey. Roles and permissions ensure only the right people have access, because chaos isn't fun. And collaboration features. They make teamwork a breeze, saving you from endless email threads. Data connectivity in Power BI is like the foundation of a house. You need strong connections or everything crumbles. Having a reliable connection ensures smooth analysis, saving you from late-night troubleshooting. Different types of connections exist to suit different data needs. And yes, challenges arise, but don't worry. Power BI has solutions to get your data flowing effortlessly. Alright, let's kick things off by setting up data flows in Power BI. First, we create a new data flow. Think of it as setting up a cozy home for all your data. Next, we connect to sources like inviting guests over. Now comes the cleanup, scrubbing messy data to make it usable. Finally, we save and validate the data flow so it's ready for action. That's like making sure your house is guest-ready before the party. Now let's talk about Power Query, the ultimate data transformation wizard. First, we extract data like gathering ingredients for a recipe. Then we filter, merge, and clean, because nobody likes raw data straight out of the box. Next, we add some spice, calculated columns to make insights richer. Finally, we serve it up by loading refined data into Power BI. Think of this as plating a perfectly cooked meal. Imagine setting an alarm clock for your data. Yes, scheduling refreshes is just like that. First, we set up automatic refresh schedules so data stays fresh. Then we configure how often updates should happen, daily, weekly, or whenever coffee runs out. Next, we monitor the refresh status and fix errors, because things love breaking at the worst times. And finally, we ensure everything runs smoothly so users get the latest data, not outdated leftovers. Managing data connections is like guarding a treasure chest. You need the right keys for the right people. First, we establish secure connections, ensuring no sneaky data leaks. Then we assign permissions, who gets VIP access and who's stuck at the gate. Next, we monitor activity to make sure no one is misusing resources. And last, we ensure security and compliance, because no one wants to deal with data breaches or compliance headaches. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.